I like to start off by saying Happy Halloween. Don't know if this video is going to air on Halloween day or the day after or the day before, but I have a very true, I guess some could call it a ghost story, paranormal activity. I call it something interesting that happened to my wife and I back many years ago in this location right here. A picnic table there and the restrooms right here. Let's get this started. Back some years ago, my wife and I decided we was going to have lunch. It was the beginning of spring. There was a little chill in the air, remember that? And we sat right here at this picnic table right here, and we commenced to having some lunch. Beautiful spring day, no wind, a little chill in the air, and we're having our lunch. Now, before we had lunch, I had to use the restroom. That's right over yonder there. I had to use the restroom, and nobody was in the bathroom. Not a soul was in this park. Nobody was here, anywhere. Nobody was in the restroom, and so we're sitting down here eating, and next thing you know, I hear the bathroom door slam shut. Slam shut. Not just a gentle shut, it slammed. And moments after that, we could hear rustling through the grass. Just like, it almost sounded similar to a dog running through the grass. Then moments after that, we smelled a very strong scent of pipe smoke, if you would. And if that wasn't enough, we heard something playing on the playground equipment right here and right in front of us. See them bars right there? It almost sounded like something was climbing up and down them. So I asked you, what was that? Was that paranormal? Now, let's try to debunk it, because I did in my head that day. I was like, was it enough wind to open that door? No, because the door is not equipped for the wind to open it. So the wind didn't open the door. Now, as far as something moving through the grass, was it the wind? Was it leaves? There was no leaves on the ground. It was spring. It was a spring day. Actually, it was a spring early afternoon. So it wasn't that. As far as the swing sets, you hear things piling on that. What could that have been? I couldn't answer that. I'm not sitting here. I'm not standing here telling you this was ghost encounters. No, I'm not even going to tell you it was a paranormal experience. No, but quite interesting. True story, guys. Very true. And from this, from that day on, I tell everybody, if we bring somebody down here that's never been here, which is a beautiful park in Guilford, Indiana, we'll tell them that story. Yeah. Now, the funny thing about this is I do have video of this. I do. I've been back in either, I think it was 2010 or 2011. I can't find it. It's on my channel from 2010 or 2011, somewhere in there. I might have named it something different. I don't know. I did go and look, because I was going to post it down, because when these things were happening, we was having lunch, and I was talking about what we was having for lunch. I was like, well, earlier I heard the door slam shut. We heard something rustling through the grass. And now we're smelling a strong smell of pipe smoke. I said that in that video, but I can't find the video to show y'all. But guys, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you're seeing this on Halloween day, but you may see it the day before Halloween or the day after Halloween. I want to tell my strange encounters I had here back that many years ago. All right, guys, until next time, happy Halloween. And maybe I might be able to come up with another story. If I am able to come up with one, which happens to be in a graveyard, it's a good one. Until then, come on, let's get out of here. Thanks for watching.